In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable AI templates for fast content creation. Whether you're looking to enhance your marketing strategy or you simply want to generate engaging content quickly, these templates will be your go-to. Let's dive in and explore this straightforward but powerful tool set. To get started, you'll want to open up your web browser and head to the Lovable website. Simply type in the URL lovable.dev and hit enter. The site is your all-in-one platform for accessing a vast array of AI integrated templates designed to make your content creation process as seamless as possible. Once you're on the website, navigate to the community section. This area is a treasure trove of ideas and templates contributed by users who share their projects with others. Here, you can explore a variety of useful templates that might just be what you need for your own project. Take your time browsing and see what sparks your interest. As you peruse through the available options, your next step is to select a template from the projects displayed. Each template has been crafted to serve different purposes, so it's important to choose the one that aligns best with your content goals, whether that's social media posts, blogs, or any other type of digital content. After selecting a project that suits your needs, it's time to really get creative by using the remix feature. Clicking on remix allows you to customize the template to match your specific requirements. This step is where you can inject your own style, adjust the tone, and tailor the content to meet your audience's expectations. While remixing, keep in mind that the goal is to make the template uniquely yours. Consider adjusting the text to better fit your message or modify images and other elements to resonate with your brand identity. Remember, your creativity is the only limit here, so feel free to experiment until you're satisfied with the final product. In summary, using the Lovable AI templates is a straightforward process. First, head over to lovable.dev. Then navigate to the community section and browse through the shared projects. Select a project that resonates with your vision and click on Remix to customize it. In a few short steps, you'll transform a ready-made template into something that's uniquely yours, all while saving time and effort. Thanks for joining me today as we uncovered how to utilize Lovable AI templates for swift content creation. With these simple steps, you can streamline your content creation process while still ensuring your personal touch shines through. Happy creating, and I look forward to seeing the amazing content you produce with the help of these fantastic AI tools.